Let's learn number 1 to 10 in Chinese and the Chinese culture of the number. 一一一一二二二二 You will see Chinese people take a picture like this, or Asian people like this. It means happy or victory, happy. 三三三 Or you can do like this. 三四四四 in China is an unlucky number because it sounds similar with 死. 死 means die. That's why Chinese people don't like number 4. For example, some lifts there is no 4th floor or 14th floor. 五五五五六六 Can you guess what hand gestures is it? Because in Chinese, from 1 to 10 we only use one hand. So 六 and use your hand coordination to help you to remember. 六 for me it's like ring ring ring, so but this direction 六 in China also a lucky number. It's pronounced similar like do something smoothly, no difficulty. For example, you will see the phone number or car license number. There was lots of 六, but you need to pay more money to get that lucky numbers. 七 For me, it's like a chicken mouse. You can use your imagination to help you to remember. Or you can remember like this, like money, yeah. 七 It means money in Chinese hand gesture. 八 You can use your imagination to help you to remember. For me, it's like this, like a gong, but this direction. 八 is a lucky number in China. It sounds like 发 it means earn more money. For example, you can pick the car license numbers or SIM card numbers or bank card numbers with number 8. But you need to pay more money to get these numbers. 九 For me, it's like someone bend. So you can use your imagination to help you to remember. 九 in Chinese, one of the meaning is forever. You will see a bunch of roses with 9 roses or 99 roses in China. 十 Or you can do like this. 十 or like this. 十 Can you guess what 520 means? 520 means I love you in Chinese. Because 520 sounds like 我爱你. 我 means I means love. 你 means you. 我爱你. Okay, let's review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 10, 1, 3, 5, 8, 2, 7, 9, 6